Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new. Thank you, my dear friend, for your support.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد.
He was got in the car business and with his great uncle. Well, his philosophy was he always wanted to take care of the customer, make sure they were happy. He was a hands-on type person. He always got involved with every transaction with the customer, and he was always there from bell to bell to make sure everybody was taking care of business.
This has always been a family-owned dealership. We have customers that have, bought their first cars back in the 70s that still, have their kids and their grandchildren buying cars from us now. I'm not sure if it's typical to have customers that have been around that long, but I know when you become a staple in a city, it naturally evolves that way, where you've got people coming back time after time. We get a lot of spouses coming in to buy things during holidays, on Valentine's Day especially. We're putting bows on cars so they can get a picture by it. Being able to be involved in that experience with the customer, it's really heart-touching, especially with the reaction that you see. And know that you did everything to make them happy, and then you see the outcome, the end result. Words can't really express how it feels.
It started off with she talked about she was wanting a Highlander. She saw this moon dust color. I didn't even know what moon dust was at the time.
Doug had called me and said that Lisa has been online and she really wants the new Highlander Limited Platinum, all the bells and whistles. What is the possibility of getting one in moon dust? So that was the challenge, because there was only 2 of them out there, and none of them were coming to me. So I had to reach out to a dealership in Arkansas that was willing to trade that car for me.
I just wanted something that we could go with our family, go to church or, just go anywhere with our family, go on vacations, and we just didn't have that. So that's what I wanted.
And then, of course, it has all the backup sensors and the front sensors.
You've really done your research.
Hey, you said you wanted everything, it's got everything. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Is that it?
Yes.
Is that the right color?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Can I open it?
Yeah, it's your car.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you.
We need to get this right because our customers are counting on us, as they always are, to deliver and keep their families moving.
We're deeper than just selling products. We're part of your family.
We put everything we had into making sure that we delivered the best new Highlander ever for our customers.
I love it, Doug. I wanted this for a long time.